Hello, my name is Daniel. I love the outdoors. I love nature. I hope you do too. Welcome to Simply Natural. Hello, welcome once again to Simply Natural. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please subscribe. When you subscribe, you're gonna get amazing content. Hello, welcome once again to Simply Natural. Here we promote living in harmony with nature, making use of what nature has given us to enhance our health. Before we start, I want to thank all those who have subscribed to this channel. Thank you for subscribing and supporting the channel. We appreciate you so much. Today, we're going to talk about onions. Now, onions are some of the most used vegetables around the world. In most places, it is part of food preparation. Okay, it is either eaten raw or cooked. But onions are more than just a food flavoring agent. They are packed full with nutrients that benefit our health. Today we're going to talk about all the health benefits you can get from eating onions and the surprising ways it can protect your health and protect you from various ailments. Okay, now so that was a lot of information about onions. So regular consumption of onions is actually very good for your health. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please like it. Give it a thumbs up. Please comment, let's hear your thoughts. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.